Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and it's Friday, and I've got one from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. This is Acecook Maruuma Tonkotsu. Yes, and these Maruuma varieties tend to be a little pricier than a lot of the import cups. So if you find them, I remember seeing them up in Canada and they were like crazy expensive. You won't really find them down here so much, mainly because they have meat in them. But yeah, fancy. You'll like that. And I think I will like this. This is yeah, Tonkotsu. I'm in the mood, but I got a mukbang I gotta do after this one, so yeah, I don't know. So how is everyone doing? This one goes for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3. As I mentioned, it is indeed Freitag, and I'm beat, man. I had a doctor's appointment at 7 a.m., which means I got up at 5. Then after that, we got back here with enough time to let the kids eat a couple bananas and get them ready for the bus, and got them on the bus, took the dog out, came back, and as I don't know, you might not know, but I'm legally blind, so my eyesight is crap. But I do get around. I walk a lot on an interurban trail, stuff like that. So I'm able to get a handicapped placard for the car. Well, the doctor has to sign off on all that, and I got, let's see, I went and I printed a renewal form out yesterday, and then, crazy enough, in the mail came the paperwork for a renewal form. So I was like, oh, well, we got all that. We filled it out. And then I walked to Bothell. And I went to a licensing joint. And I was like, I've never been there before. And I've never been... It's tricky to navigate where you're going when you can't see so well. So... But it went well. I used Google Nav and got there, and everything worked out, and came home. So I've walked over 8 miles, and I got up at 5, and I really haven't had anything to eat today. And I'm going to have a little taste of this, a little taste of the next one, and then I'm going to scarf down a ghost pepper one. So that's fun. It's like, I should have thought that through, but it's all ready to go. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to do it. Yeah, made a fried egg for that one, and I've made some soft-boiled eggs. I made those earlier. So yeah, it's been busy. Oh, and unfortunately, instead of the large amount of food stamp money we usually get, that was cut. Not because of income, but because the quote-unquote pandemic is over, and we used to get a whole lot, and all these articles that were coming out were mentioning the federal special thing would be about $95 that it was going to go down. Knew it was going to go down more than that, but I didn't think it would go down $800. Yeah, so that sucks. And now we got a dog, and it's $50 more a month to have a dog. Yeah, pet rent. That's such a racket. But I'm sure there's people who let their dogs pee and poo all over the place. So that kind of makes sense. And don't clean it up. Our dogs have always done such things, but we always cleaned up after them. So anyways, there's that. That's my little rant for the day. But yeah, I think it's going to be a good weekend. Let's try this out. Doctor's appointment went good. They sent me, he's gonna send me a little box You put nasty things in the box, and then you send it away. I want this one. Check out the broth. Kind of a nice milky color. It's good. I really like how these Maruuma varieties come out, and this one, it tastes pretty good. Let's see. We need one of these. I don't know if I've really got the right vessel for doing this. I mean, it's a cup after all, but I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can make something pretty with this cup. A little bit of veg. I'm gonna let the veg hang. Usually you think of tonkotsu and you just think like a very milky broth and not a bunch of little bits and pieces, but it's decent. I like it. Oh boy, I need to take the trash out. Which, yes, I will take the trash out. Little mini comb over for this one. Man, I'm starving. Absolutely starving. So let's add in some chashu. I really didn't think that I was gonna do 3 reviews this morning. Or no, this afternoon. It's 1 p.m. now. I really didn't see that happening, but it's happening, so that's pretty neat. Working my butt off. Probably not going to be very light coloring at this point. I literally got back from walking 8 miles about an hour ago. Hard-boiled or soft-boiled eggs, and did a fried egg, and did bake some chicken for today's review action. So, oh, come on. That's what we got. We got some sprouts. We got some springy onions. And we got some, where's the shichimi? That sounds good. I would scarf this down so quick, but I have to do something for you folks. I have to eat like something incredibly spicy just for you, and you're welcome. Feel guilty, please. Feel a little bit guilty for what I have to go through today. I don't know. It's gonna be heavy duty. But let's magical rotato. Do it to it. There you go. Alright, that's it for this one. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is Kung Fu Noodles from Taiwan with our premium goose oil with crispy shallot flakes. And this is the third of their dry noodle varieties I'll be reviewing. I don't know if there's any real difference except for the fact that it's got this new sticker on it. But when there's a change like that and it's something I like, I'll just review it and see it's got new packaging because it's got a little change to their packaging. Anyways, that'll be on tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. And tell your friends if they want to check out different ways to prepare noodles. That's fine by me. Have a good one. Bye-bye.